Hello children, we'll see few more examples from exercise 8.2. Basically we will see word problems from exercise 8.2. So we'll see question number 3. Find the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle if the lengths of base and perpendicular are 7.5 centimeter, 18 centimeter. Okay, so here what is given? Here length of base and length of perpendicular is given to you, and you are going to find out length of hypotenuse. So as we know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we will substitute the values of base and perpendicular over here. So 7.5 square plus 18 square will get 56.25 plus 324. So hypotenuse square is equal to 380.25. Now we'll take square roots on both sides. So we'll get hypotenuse is equal to 19.5 centimeter. So length of hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 19.5 centimeter. Now let's see question number 4. A ladder 45 feet tall when set against a wall of a house just reaches the window at a height of 27 feet. How far is the lower end of the ladder from the base of the wall? So see over here, first you have to draw a figure. Obviously it will be a right angle triangle, right? And what is given over here? See, length of the ladder is given. While you are setting up a ladder against the wall, obviously it will come in slanting position. That means that ladder is as hypotenuse over here. So AC is equal to 45 feet, right? And the window's height is also given, that is 27 feet. So AB is equal to 27 feet, and they asked to find out the distance between the lower end of the ladder from the base of the wall. That means they said to find out the value of x or distance BC. So here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we'll use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, right? So hypotenuse is 45 square. See your diagram. Base is x square and perpendicular square means 27 square. We substituted the values over here. Now we'll square the numbers. So 2025 is equal to x square plus 279. Now we'll transpose 279 on left hand side. So 2025 minus 729 is equal to x square. Subtraction will be 1296, and by taking square roots on both sides we'll get x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 feet is our answer. So final answer will be the lower end of the ladder is 36 feet far from the base of the wall. Now we'll see question number 6. A tree broke by a windstorm. However, it did not break into two pieces but bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground 3 meters away from the foot of the tree. The point where the tree broke was 4 meters above the ground. Find the total height of the tree before it broke. Did you understand the question? Read it neatly. A tree broke by a windstorm. However, it did not break into two pieces but bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground 3 centimeters away from the foot of the tree. Where it is touching? It is touching at point C, and the distance between point B and C. That means the distance between the tree, top of the tree and the base of the tree is 3 meters, right? And from where it broke? See, from point A it broke. So distance between the base and the point where it broke is 4 meters. So here it is forming a right angle triangle. So here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and what they said to find out? They said to find out the total height of the tree before it broke. That means they said to find out AB plus AC. Got it? So here by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So base is 3 and perpendicular is 4. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So hypotenuse square is equal to 25. So we'll take square roots on both sides. So we'll get hypotenuse is equal to 5 centimeter, right? So we got over here AC as a 5 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the height of the tree, total height of the tree, that is AB plus AC. that is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 meters. So our final answer is the height of the tree before it broke is 9 meters. Okay, let's see one more example. Question number 7. A person travels 8 kilometers due north by car and then 15 kilometers due east by train. How far is he now from the starting point? See here, first you have to draw a diagram. Okay, person is traveling 8 kilometer due north. So see, AB is 8 kilometer, right? And then he is traveling due east by train 15 kilometers. So BC is equal to 15 kilometers. Sorry. And what question they ask? How far is he now from the starting point? Means the distance between point A and C you have to find out. So here in triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, that is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. Will substitute the values, right? So 225 plus 64, that is equal to 289. So we'll take square roots on both sides. So we'll get hypotenuse is equal to 70 kilometer by taking square roots on both sides. So our final answer is he is 17 kilometer far from the starting point. So here we have done with our exercise 8.2 and our lesson as well. I hope all of you understood this lesson neatly. Study this lesson neatly, and if you have any doubt you can ask me during our lectures, online lectures. Thank you.